Hi, I'm Richard Hall, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. And just like Alex says, always keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm over here at the log. It looks like the water level is down a bit, but that's okay. We're gonna fish with a float rig and see if we can find any crappie or bluegill or bass or anything at all. It's pretty cold today, 43 degrees. We're still gonna give it a try. And there we go. You can see how low the water is. Wow, look how close to the log we are. The water is stained brown, kind of silty. It rained a couple days ago, but I still think we're in okay shape. Let's see what we can do out here. You know, I was asking for this colder weather, but now that it's here, I wasn't ready. And I'm not getting any bites. I thought for sure, hello, fish on. Just as I was saying that, I got a bite. Hey, that's a decent bluegill. All right, we got a fairly nice sized bluegill here, about 6.5, 7 inches. First fish of the day, let's let him go. Wow, after touching that fish, my hands are definitely cold. Oh, something small, playing with it. Got that one though. Let's see what we have here. Doesn't feel very big. Another decent bluegill, maybe in the 6-inch range. Catching some cold front panfish out here. Like I said, it's about 42 degrees out here, but I'm still making something happen.
This is Vincent from Fort Peck, Montana, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
My bobber is laying on its side. Typically that means I'm tangled up. I think we're good now though. Sometimes if you just twitch it a little bit and reel it in, it'll untangle. See my bobber standing up now. If the camera can even see it over there. Cool, there's a cool boat. That almost looks like the mud duck. That almost looks like Fat Boy Dan's old boat. Let's keep trying. So when I'm fishing a Gulp Minnow or an artificial lure like a Gulp Minnow, I don't just let it sit there the whole time. Every once in a while I'm reeling in about 6 inches and I'm twitching the rod tip. Otherwise that minnow will just sit there. So when you twitch it, it starts to come alive, it moves around. That's what the fish want. They don't want to just dead plastic minnow sitting there. They're not going to go for that. Got him. Another nice bluegill, about 6 inches. If I was starving and bluegill was the only food around, I would keep this. Little meaty 6.5, 7-incher. You know, if I got a big fish, my thin wire hook might bend out and I might lose them. But on the bright side, if I'm fishing by a ton of snags, I'll get my rig back because my hook will bend out. So, you know, it's kind of a toss-up. Lose a monster fish on 6-pound test or get my rig back when I snag the tree. You know, choices.
I'm Catfish Terry and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Let's try back out there in the center. Huh. There's got to be more than 3 bluegill here. There's a bite. Another bluegill. Not a monster, but not bad. Another 6-inch bluegill. Got him. Way out there toward the center. Just a bit smaller, but still an average sized bluegill here. These fish are actually warmer than my hands. Little slimy hand warmers. Got him. Fish on. Got another bluegill here. Yeah, not too bad. About a 6-incher. Starting to get some of those black spots on its fins. Alright, I've decided to try one more thing. Salmo minnow. Oh man, risky fishing this thing down here, but I'm gonna try it. Fish! All right!
The most controversial team to hit USWO Wrestling, it's Brian Turner of Booty Call, and you are watching Realistic Fishing. Bounce on over to Brian Turner's VHS Rehab for more of Booty Call.
There we go. Nice big skipjack. Let's get my measuring tape and see how big this skipjack is. 15 inches. That's a beautiful looking fish. Check it out. 15-inch skipjack here. Yes. Yes. Got him on that Salmo minnow. That is a gorgeous fish. Let's let it go. While it might be a bit cold out, I am still catching some fish. I caught a handful of nice bluegill and a beautiful 15-inch skipjack. I caught the bluegill on the Gulp Minnow and the skipjack on the Salmo 2-inch jerkbait. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.